Assalamu alaikum. Hi, my dear students. Welcome back to your favorite English class. So, today I'm going to teach you grammar. What is the topic you know? Anagrams. Very interesting topic. Last class, what we have studied, did you remember? Prefixes and suffixes. That also very easy. I think all you have understand the chapter, isn't it? So now this chapter is also very interesting. The chapter name is anagrams. Okay, ANAGRAMS. Okay, anagrams. So now what is the definition of anagrams? We are going to see. Okay, what is the definition? If the letters in each word are rearranged, they can form new words. For example, night. Okay, first I'm going to write the example, then you will understand. Okay, NIGHT. Okay, night. So now we are going to rearrange the letters. Okay, we are going to rearrange the letters. Understand? So if we rearrange the letters, we can get, for example, we have to form one word. It should be meaning. Okay, without meaning we cannot write. We have to take some letters from this word and we have to write here. That word should be as meaning. Understand? So now I am going to take T is here, H is here, and then I is here, and N is here, and G is here. So I am taking from the night. Okay, this night word only I am taking the letters. Okay, so what I am taking? T I am taking, H I taken, and then I, N, G. So I am rearranging the word. Okay, I am rearranging the letters. So if I am rearranging the letters, I will get a new word. Okay, I will get a new word. That we called it as a anagrams. Okay, so what is the definition? The letters in each word are rearranged. Okay, rearranged. They can form new words. Okay, they can form new words. So the first letter I have written NIGHT, night. So I'm taking some letters from that and I'm writing this word thing. Understand? THING, thing. Okay, thing, you know. Okay, what is that? We having no things, that is. And next word I'm going to write here is asleep. Okay, ASLEEP, asleep. Asleep means this is okay. And then this also I'm going to rearrange. Okay, what I'm going to take P L E A S E. So I formed a new word. Okay, so asleep is one word. So I am taking from the word some letters. So what I have taken? P L E A S E. Okay, so it gives a new word, please. Okay, so asleep is changed into please. Okay, we are rearranging. Okay, and then it gives a different meaning. So the new words thing and please are anagrams. Okay, so what are the new words we have? The thing and please, these two words we called it as anagrams. The new words we are forming, no, that word we called it as anagrams. Okay, not the old one, new one. Okay, we are taking and forming the new one, no, that new words we called it as anagrams. Understand? So now did you understand? So now in your textbook everything they have given beautifully and they explain very clearly. Okay, so after watching my video, if you read the text, I know you don't have the, some of them you don't have the textbook. I will send you the book pages from the textbook. So if you see that, you can understand very easily. Okay, so everything they given in a what is clear way. Anagrams or words, again they have given the description, definition. Anagrams or words or phrases. Okay, don't think often it will come words. Sometimes it will come as phrases. What do you mean by phrases? Phrases means I think last year I taught you. Phrases means two words. It contains. It will give you some. It's not a complete meaning. It will give you some meaning. Okay, for example, a beautiful meadow. Okay, like that, it contains two words, so we call it as a phrase. So sometimes two words also comes in anagrams. Don't think you will often you will have that one word. Okay, sometimes two words also it would come. Okay, and then what they are telling, anagrams are words or phrases formed by rearranging the letters. Okay, rearranging the letters of another word in a different order. Okay, we are arranging the letters in a different order. The word anagram as an anagram, nagaram. Okay, so the word anagram also they are changing as nagaram. Okay, so here anagram they are changing as nagaram. So it's a phrase. Okay, it's a phrase. So do you understand? So that word is rearranged and it forming the new words. So they are clever. So when we are seeing, if you see night, it's entirely different. Another new words is thing. Okay, so we are cleverly finding that words. Asleep, please, entirely different, and it gives a new words, that is anagrams. So and then they are clever, funny and catchy word plays. Okay, so there are so many examples they have given. So I will we are going to see some examples. Okay, first one is, this is word, here anagrams. Understand? So here the new word we call it as anagrams. And then here the first, earth. Always we should put capital it. Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. So now we are going to we are going to rearrange the word. Okay, letters. So here H is there. You can take E A R T. What word? Heart. Okay. Don't say hurt. Some are pronouncing that heart pronunciation is heart. Okay. Heart. Okay. Don't pronounce hurt. That is wrong pronunciation of heart. Okay. So it's an organ of our body. Okay, heart. So earth. So now we are rearranging the word and it gives a new word, H-E-A-R-T, heart. Okay. So now we are taking from the earth. From the earth word we are taking H-E-A-R-T. So it gives a new word. Very interesting, no? So next one, debit card. D-A-B-I-T, debit card. Debit card, you know, we are using in a what is it, ATM and all, no? That is debit card. And they how they are converting, how they are changing now. So it's a two word. It's, I told you know, sometimes two words also it will come. Sometimes phrases also come. So now we have to change that. Okay, how will you change that? B A D, bad credit, bad credit. Understand? So the word is changing. Debit card is changed into bad credit. Okay. Credit means the money we will receive from the bank in account and all. So that is credit. So debit card. So B we are taking, and then A we are taking, D is bad, and then C or E D I T. Okay. Every letters we are taking from the this word only. So it gives the different meaning. Understand? It gives a new word. Okay. So next one, garden. It's a very new interesting one. Garden. 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 Garden, how will you change? You can. So what are the words we can take? D A N G E R. Danger. So garden is we are rearranging the letters and it form the new word danger. Okay. Garden. D we are taking A N G E R. So it gives a new word garden. New word is danger. Anagram is danger. Understand? So what are the words we have seen? Shall I again tell you? So what is it? Example, earth. Earth we are rearranging and it gives us heart, and then debit card. We are rearranging and it becomes the bad credit, and God it become danger. Okay. So these words, whole word, we are called as word only, and when we are rearranging we call it as anagrams. Okay. So there are not only one word, there are so many words like this is coming. So next class we are going to see another interesting examples. Okay. So I will send you the book pages, don't worry. You read that pages, and grammar you have to, I already told you, grammar you have to write in a separate notebook. If you have any doubt, call me and then you write in your grammar notebook. So until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.